Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about dictionary, how to define dictionary and add item to dictionary and how to access item from dictionary. So firstly, we discuss uh, what is the dictionary. So in general, a dictionary is a collection of words and their meanings or definition. So in the same way, dictionary in any programming language is a collection of keys and values, where key is a equivalent to uh, words and value is equivalent to meaning or definition. So I hope you understand the dictionary. What is the dictionary? So let's go to the Uipath and see how to create dictionary and how to use that. So let's go to the Uipath studio and we'll see that. So you can see the screen. I'm on the Uipath studio here. So firstly, I'm taking the activities, assign activities. In assign activities, we are initializing the dictionary variable. So here, control K and variable name is my underscore dictionary, my dictionary, and in the value we are writing here new space dictionary bracket of a space a string comma a string enter. So now you can see here the showing the error because of variable type. So go to the variable panel and select this and change here the variable type. So we are selecting here the variable type is a system.collection.generic.dictionary a string. So if you have not showing here this type, then you can go to the browse for type and select this variable type. So now we have selected it and the error is resolved. So we can see how to create the dictionary variable. After that, we'll see how to add item in the dictionary. So for that, we are using here the activity is the invoke method. So in the invoke method, we need to provide here the target object. So in the target object, providing the my variable, my dictionary variable here, and the in the method name we are adding the item in the dictionary. So here I am writing the add. This is the method name. Okay. So still we are getting the here the error because we are not providing the parameter. So select this and go to the property section and provide the parameters here. So you can see here, click the collection and create the argument here. So in the direction, provide the in and the type string and value providing here the India. India. Okay. And the second argument we need to create that is a New Delhi. This is the capital of India, Delhi. So here you can see here we have created a two arguments. One is a key and second is a value. So India is a key and the New Delhi is a value of India. Okay. So now we click on the OK. So now you can see here the error is resolved. So we'll see how to create the dictionary and how to add item in the dictionary. And now we will see the how to access item from the dictionary. So for that we are using here the message box activities and print the value. Okay. So select searching the message box activity here and here providing the my dictionary. This is the variable we have created, and the bracket we provide the value key. Here providing the key name. So key name is India, and we wanted to get the value of India. Okay, so here providing the dot to a string. Okay, control S and run this program and see the output, giving the correct output or not. uh, it's showing the incorrect because we are providing the here the incorrect keys. Okay, stop. India. India. So now again run this program. You can see the output New Delhi is coming, so it's working fine. So we have another way to add the item in dictionary. So we'll show you the another way how to add the item from in the dictionary. So that activity is a add to dictionary. So you can go to the activity panel and search here add to dictionary. So it's not showing because we need to add the package here. So in the go to the package and go all packages here and search Microsoft.activities micro Microsoft.activities activities dot extension. So you need to install this activities. No compatible with this version. So no compatible version with the Windows projects. So we don't install the we have another this is the API. We can't install that, I think. So we'll not able to show you how to add the another way of item. Okay, so you can go through with this way. You can add multiple item in the dictionary, and you can use that. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.